So we are creating a totally new headquarters here in Germany. On the one hand, we want to show what we're capable of. We're showing our technology, not only the digital technology, also the analog technology. We're showing here escalators and elevators too. My name is Pawi Shou. I'm a senior product manager in the division of digital innovations. The building where we are in, it didn't exist. So we had two different buildings here and we're connecting the building with our new headquarters. So everyone who works here and all our guests, they will come into this building. So the first thing they will see is the LED from Optoma.
So the LED display in the main foyer is going to be used to present new products to customers when they come in. So my name is Noonan, I'm the technical product specialist for the UK, but I've been helping out install this LED display at Schindler Germany headquarters. The building is still undergoing huge development works. There's a lot of contractors in, so we had to work very closely with those, the electricians, the builders, painters, and then when we got here it was obviously key that we kept communication with those people to make sure that we had enough time and enough space to finish the project.
The installation process was a very exciting one for us because for us it was also the first time we see one LED screen of this size being built. We came every now and then just to see how it was going. Every time we came we just saw an amazing LED screen being built.
So at Schindler headquarters here in Germany, we've installed a FHD26528. It's a 2.6mm 1080p display. We try and provide first-class technical support. So I've been working on this project leading up to the launch event. We also have been on site doing the commissioning, working closely with their integrators. And it's something that Optoma really prides itself in. It doesn't matter which region we're working in, we always work as close as we can with our end users and customers. And with Schindler we have a very good existing relationship because they use our projectors in their door show, and so this is just another step at taking Schindler into the 21st century. So the LED display was up and running in 3 days. There's normally then a day of calibration, and then the screen can soak for a couple of days from that point onwards, but from installation and up to running, a total of 4 days.
We chose Optoma because Optoma has the best products, but we didn't only choose Optoma because of the products, we chose them because of the service and the partnerships. The building is 80% ready just because you have the LED running. I came in today and I thought, wow, we are really excited to showing our new redesigned headquarters to our guests and partners. When you look at the LED technology nowadays, that's the state of the art. I mean, when you come here and see the colors, you get emotions. And these are exactly the emotions we want our guests and customers and workers to have when they come in the new building.
If people want to install an LED display, I advise they get in touch. We've got a large group of people that are experts in the field. We can come and do a site survey. And if you want to see any more information about our full range of LED displays, visit optoma.com.